First of all, you go to, this is the leaf, you go to put that mixie to there. Then this is the bearing, 620 bearing, gear wheel. This is the wheel. So this is the chain sprocket, 1:2 ratio. To rotate it one time, rotate it 3 times. This is the two-wheeler wheel. So it will be touched, the gear wheel touches the wheel. So at that time, rotary motion is getting from. So this is the cyclic pedaling mechanism.
கொஞ்சம் டைட்டாக தான் இருக்குது.
Blade. But a high speed rotate around 2000 RPM rotate. You want to put any orange or apple anything. After that, sometime you go to remove like that. You can remove. You go to put the jaw here like that. And you go to remove the blade. This is the pedal operator mixer grinder or juice maker. Pedal operator juice making machine. The frame model made of mild steel frame.
Bearing.
Bearing 6202 valve. This is the bearing shaft, 15 mm diameter shaft. This is the mechanism. Maybe the gear wheel touches the wheel, so at that time the rotary motion is getting. The chain, cycle chain and sprocket, 1:3 ratio. That's the pedal.